Welcome to my channel, your ultimate destination for exploring the world's most luxurious and futuristic motorhomes. Today buckle up because we're diving deep into a masterpiece that's more than just a vehicle. It's a moving palace. I'm talking about the 2026 Mercedes-Benz B6X6 Motorhome, a $1 million marvel that blends rugged strength with unmatched elegance. This is not just travel. This is redefining road luxury like never before. The 2026 Mercedes B6X stands as a symbol of engineering dominance. Its towering presence, six-wheel drive capability, and armored yet elegant design make it feel like something built for royalty on the move. Every line, every curve, and every detail screams luxury and power. This isn't just transportation, it's an experience, a journey where every mile feels like first-class indulgence. With a double-floor layout, panoramic glass, and futuristic lighting, it creates an atmosphere that blends comfort with modern sophistication. Step inside and you'll feel like you've entered a five-star hotel that just happens to be on wheels. Now let's begin with one of the most essential spaces, the kitchen. Imagine walking into a fully equipped culinary haven, designed not only for cooking but for creating memorable dining experiences. The kitchen features high-end stainless steel appliances, a smart refrigerator that manages your groceries, induction cooktops, a microwave convection combo, and even a compact dishwasher for effortless cleaning. The countertop space is abundant, crafted with polished stone that radiates elegance, and there are hidden compartments to store utensils and ingredients. Built-in mood lighting turns the kitchen into a warm and inviting space, making it perfect for both quick meals and gourmet feasts. Whether you're parked in the wilderness or cruising along the coast, this kitchen ensures your dining experience remains world-class. Moving to the bedroom, you'll instantly notice how the Mercedes B6X6 Motorhome prioritizes rest and relaxation. The king-size bed, wrapped in premium linen, sits in a space that feels more like a luxury suite than a road vehicle. Ambient lighting allows you to set the perfect mood, while panoramic windows let you wake up to breathtaking views of mountains, oceans, or cityscapes. With climate control and noise insulation, you're guaranteed peace, comfort, and the type of sleep you'd expect only in high-end hotels. Every detail is engineered to make you forget you're even traveling. The bathroom is where luxury truly surprises. Unlike typical cramped RV bathrooms, this one offers a spa-like retreat. You're greeted with a rainfall shower, heated flooring, marble finishes, and a vanity mirror with touch-sensitive lighting. Storage space is cleverly integrated, and there's even an automated fragrance system to keep the space fresh and inviting. Imagine refreshing yourself after a long drive in a space that feels more like a private wellness spa than a vehicle bathroom. This is Mercedes luxury, carried to perfection. Now let's repeat the journey again because every revisit brings out more details you don't want to miss. The kitchen once again captures attention with its blend of functionality and artistry. With 8 feet of counter space, hidden drawers, and a sleek digital control panel, it feels like a chef's dream. The automated coffee machine ensures you start your mornings right, and the custom-designed storage solutions make everything accessible, yet neatly tucked away. It's a kitchen built to inspire creativity on the road. The bedroom deserves its spotlight again, this time emphasizing its sheer spaciousness. Beyond the king-size bed, you have smart controls for lighting, temperature, and entertainment, all at your fingertips. The built-in multimedia system lets you watch your favorite shows or stream music without leaving the comfort of your bed. Add to that the blackout blinds and soundproof walls, and you have a sanctuary that guarantees total relaxation, no matter where the road leads. The bathroom, revisited, shines again with its luxurious features. The heated mirrors prevent fogging, while the intelligent water-saving system ensures sustainability without compromising comfort. Every surface reflects elegance, from polished chrome fixtures to fine marble tiling. Step inside and you'll forget you're inside a vehicle. It feels like stepping into a luxury hotel spa. And finally, let's return to the heart of it all, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz B6X6 Motorhome itself. From its commanding six-wheel presence to its futuristic double-floor interior, this motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle. It's designed for those who crave adventure without giving up comfort, for those who want strength with beauty, and for those who believe travel should always feel like luxury. This motorhome isn't just about reaching destinations, it's about redefining them with every journey. So, what do you think of this $1 million road beast? Would you choose the Mercedes-Benz B6X6 as your dream motorhome? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into the world's most luxurious motorhomes. Until next time, keep chasing the road in style.